Hey there, today we're going to show you how to change your password on Chat GPT. Whether you want to update it or reset a forgotten password, we've got you covered. Let's dive straight into it. Start by visiting the Chat GPT website and attempt to log in to your account. On the home page, you'll see a login form. Enter your email address to proceed. Now pay close attention. Look for a forgotten password link. It's usually located below the login button. Click on the link and a new window will appear. In the window, you'll be prompted to enter your email address again. Make sure you type it correctly and then click Continue. Great, you've just taken a first step towards resetting your password. You should receive an email from OpenAI and further instructions will be given. Keep an eye on your inbox. Once you've received the email, open it up. Look for the message sent by OpenAI. It should have a subject line related to a password reset. Click on the email to open it. Inside the email, you'll find a green button that says Reset Password. Click on that button and it will take you to a password reset page. Here's where you'll finally create a new password for your Chat GPT account. Be sure to choose a strong, unique password that you'll remember. Type it in the designated field. You'll need to enter it twice to confirm it. Please note that for security reasons, we won't be showing the password on this screen, but trust me, I'm following the same steps here. After setting a new password, go back to ChatGPT, login page, enter your email address and a newly created password, and then click Continue. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your password. You can now log in to ChatGPT using your updated credentials. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need any further assistance, please leave a comment below. We're here to help. Stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in the next video.